Today we are going to check that air does have mass or not. So the needed materials are 2 blown balloons, a ruler, some thread, it can be a woolen thread or a normal thread, a tape and a pair of scissors. So now I have cut some certain length of some thread. So now I am going to tie it to this ruler. You should tie it into the middle of the ruler. Make sure it is really tight so the experiment can be accurate. Now I am going to tape this wool and the ruler with some tape so it can be more accurate. So now I have taped it, so now you can see it almost looks like a beam balance. I'm going to take some thread and tie it to this end of this balloon so we can make it a balance. So now I have tied my balloons with this thread so it looks like this. The next step is to tie these balloons to the ruler which we have done it previously. Now I have tied them into the ruler. So now I am keeping like this. You can see they are very equal. You can see they both are in the same thing. Nothing is tilted. It's really equal. So now I am going to deflate one of these balloons so to check how do they react. Do they decrease in their angle or increase in their angle, or how does it look? Now let's see after deflating. Now I have deflated one of the balloons. You can see that since one have been deflated, the other one is heavier, so it is coming down. So you can understand that air has mass too. Thank you.